One of your team members approaches you with a game plan on how they plan to tackle an assignment that you've given them. The question is, should you be extra helpful or should you let them run with it the way they've presented it? I'm Greg Schinkel, President of Unique Training and Development, and this Leader Feeder, I'm going to look at how helpfulness may end up actually taking away accountability. When your team member comes to you and they've got a game plan figured out, you probably can't help yourself but add extra value by giving them some of the wisdom that you've accumulated over the years. Top leadership coach Marshall Goldsmith, in his book, What Got You Here Won't Get You There, highlights that one of the problems of leaders as they move up in an organization is they keep doing the things that made them successful in their original position, whereas as a leader they need to actually show different skill sets. And one of those things is that when your team members want to approach a problem in a certain way, many leaders cannot help but to tell them what they think they should do. Now keep in mind, when you go in to your boss with an idea, you own it 100%. But if your boss then messes with the plan or makes several suggestions that you really don't agree with, when you walk out of the meeting, even if the game plan is technically a little bit better, your ownership level drops from 100% down to probably 50 to 70%. So what should you do when you disagree with the plan that one of your people brings to you? Well, first of all, realize that people learn from their mistakes. So unless this is going to be a complete disaster and create a safety issue or perhaps cause tens of thousands of dollars of waste, you probably want to let the person run with it their way. Then they keep 100% ownership. And even if things don't work out maybe exactly as good as you had thought they would if they had incorporated some of your ideas, they'll learn the next time they go through it and get better and better, just like you did as you came along. So by being slightly less helpful, you're actually going to let your team grow in their capabilities over time. Now, once you've mastered the art of coaching people and letting them take greater ownership over their tasks, you might want to work on some of your other leadership abilities. And of course, you can do that by taking part in our Frontline Leadership Training Program, which is delivered on site or it's delivered at public workshops. Or you might want to take advantage of some of the resources that we have on our website. In either case, just visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com, and on social media, be sure to connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook by searching us out at Frontline Leader.